I realized that P1 and 2 is pretty much of like a honeymoon stage for most children, whereby they go to school, they have fun, they learn some things, they go back home with a bit of homework, and then they do, and then they submit, and then there's no test, there's no exam, everyone is happy. Yeah. Okay. At the same time, I think that's because there's little or less stress in the P1 and P2 stages. You really want to make sure that you make full use of these 2 years, this block of 2 years, to help a child to buck up their skills. Yeah, and this is something that I realize many parents they overlook. Yeah, when it comes to skills, it's actually one of the many other intangible assets that you want to help a child to build. Yeah, so meaning that skills in problem solving, in highlighting keywords, in identifying the main keywords for the problem sums, like more than, less than, or part whole, as well as highlighting keywords, circling the right numbers, drawing models, be it up and down for more than or less than, or part whole, which is like 2 carriages of a MRT train. Okay? Yeah. At the same time, you also want to be strategic in terms of coaching your child in not doing like, okay, today you do page 1, page there, and that's it. Okay? You want your child to do like 2 a day, and then you start off with helping them to do 3, then 4, and then initiating if they are keen to do 1 more page or 1 more question. Yeah. Because the idea here is not so much of in terms of the quality of the questions that they are doing, but it's more of guiding them towards being interested to do 1 more question by themselves without being told to. Yeah, so it's something that is very important, and you realize that when your child goes to P3, this is such an important skill whereby you will face more worksheets, more concepts like grouping to most P3s, most P3s, it can be an eyesore because it's actually not an easy concept to visualize. Yeah, and my child actually struggled in working backwards. Yeah, and for the rest, she's fine. Yeah, so imagine this: if your child became more interested in learning math in P3, it is easier to help her to slowly build up the logic side, which is learning the concepts. Yeah, and versus if a parent needs to, in the same year of P3, she needs to help the child to be interested in math, build up her confidence, do work by himself or herself, and then learn the concepts. You realize that in fact there are more obstacles for parents B, yeah, versus the first parent whose child is already very self-independent, like math, and all you need to do is just to help your kid to learn the concepts parts of the equation. Yeah. Okay. So if you want your child to do out your own sums, for me, I actually compile all the important problem sums for P3s that I know in this book. Yeah, and the reason why we put it as a A5 size is because most of the parents actually put this in their handbag. Yeah, or the child actually brings it to school to self-study. Yeah, and so it doesn't add much to the weight of the bag, which is, I know, it's already very heavy. Okay, so having said that, you can look at the these are the concepts that your child must know for the entire year of P3s, and in fact I use this as a checklist to help my kid. Okay, yeah. So when you go for exams, do you actually have a checklist like this to make sure that your child master them before they sit for SA2 eventually? Okay, so this is called part whole. This is called part whole, and then comes with standard answers and comes with step-by-step explanation, because many parents told me that, hey, I know how to solve, but I cannot explain to my kid. So do you find at times that it's challenging to teach your kid as well? So a lot of times I have all these steps to help you, to guide you through in getting your child that read the question first, color the keywords, and then draw the model, and then do the working. Okay? Yeah. So all these are considered as part whole. Part whole. Okay, now this is the more less than. Yeah. Okay. More or less than with 2 objects or names. More or less than with 3 objects or names. Okay. Yeah. So it doesn't matter whether you buy this book or not, but what I'm trying to drive across here is you need to make sure that you have a good resource that teach you how to draw models properly and how to identify problem-sum types, and a book that shows you the right way and easy way to solve the questions. Yeah, and you, by doing them, helps you to be a better coach at home, because you really understand the problem sums, okay, and not just following the answers. Yeah. Okay. So these are the part whole for fractions. Okay, and then intervals. Yeah, intervals very common, really very common as well. And guess and check. Okay, probably your child has learned the table form. In my opinion, P3s can master the 4-step assumption method already. Yeah. Okay, and we show you the easy way. Alright, so simple area question. Okay, so for the new books that you're getting, they comes with working space. Yeah, so the main question with working space, and then the answer is at the back, right after that question for most question. Okay. For the section, yeah. So one unchanged. Do you know that there's something called one unchanged, or we call it same one? And then do you know that there's something called same total? Yeah. If you are not trained by problem-sum types, probably you may not know. Yeah. So it's time to know that there are actually 3 musketeers. One is called same one. The other one is same total. Third one is called same difference. And these are tested all the way until primary 6. Okay, then equal after change, and then working backwards. Yeah, this is something that my child is beginning, so I really want to make use of these school holidays to help her to improve on it. And 2 ifs, and for us we don't use listing method, we use the simple 3-step approach. Okay, so after you have finished this book, right, you move on to the more challenging questions, which is in this book. Yeah, because this is the foundation building, this one is the more challenging questions. And the reason why we have this book is because you know that there are many children stuck in those tough questions. Okay, so again, we actually break them up into problem-sum types for you. So again, so this book, the new edition for this book will be something like that: space, and then all the possible questions that we can think of for that problem-sum type. Then we have the answers for that problem-sum type right after that, so it's easier for you to refer to. Okay, yeah. So you see that actually it gets longer. That's why many P3 parents told me that they are in fact struggling, and this is a very real problem that many parents are facing right now. Okay, so do not be stuck like them. Starts early. Yeah, starts early. Okay, so this is something that can really help you. All right. Yeah, so as much as we didn't get anything out from this Facebook Live, the one thing that I want you to remember is start early. Yeah, start now. Don't wait. Don't wait. Yeah. Okay, time, questions, so on and so forth. And please teach your child how to draw proper timeline, because you need this for speed questions, which is taught in primary 6. Yeah. So all these are the skills that are required for you to do well eventually. Yeah. So in fact, everything is stacked up for math. Okay. So some parents are asking, so what about short questions? Okay. Short questions wise will be this and these two books combined. Yeah, and it's very, very thick. Okay. So a math teacher whose child is with us, she told us that if you want to do well for math, you better score full marks for your section A and B for primary 3 and 4, and for P5 and 6, you better you want to help your child to score full marks for paper 1, booklet A and B. Okay, so for primary 3 and 4, okay, for primary 3, I really want to help the child to have a strong foundation in being able to score as many marks as possible for their short questions. Okay, so okay, the beauty of this is classify them under CA1. Yeah, so CA1 you most likely see similar questions, and again these are the questions, and then right after that are the answers. Okay, so these are the things that if you are someone who teach your child at home, this is something really good for you, and it's because it's organized and systematic, and it comprises mostly of the things that your child needs to know for P3s. Okay, for P3s. Yeah. So let me just move forward quickly. Yeah. And I like to give you the model answers, not just the answer itself, but the model method or the right method to solve them, so that your child learns all these best practices. Okay, best practices right from the early years. Okay, so when you get this will be the short questions, and then when you get this is roughly the same thing, but this one I think is for, let me see, this one is for, yeah, so for CA1 and then for SA1. Okay, so basically these are the things that you need to know. And in fact, if you're someone who wants your child to learn faster, this will be a good book, because what you're seeing are all tested inside the P3 exams. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so that's it for the P3s. Okay.